head over to the goals screen by tapping the target icon to the right of the plus button. On this screen, you can view and adjust all of your health goals. First, there's your weight goal. To make changes here or any goals, just tap the pencil icon. Next, you can update your daily calorie target based on input from your healthcare provider. Then you can set your weekly active minutes and choose a diet plan goal as we highlighted on the previous screen. At the bottom, you can select your healthcare provider. Our app connects to a database of participating practices, so once a practice joins, their list of relevant doctors become available and selectable in MiPHR. As you can see, my provider is Dr. Nalawadi, who I added during my app onboarding. In the case where your provider isn't listed, you can also add them manually, like you see here.